Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dinah. Welcome beauties. Today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial. This hair that I'm wearing, you guys have been seeing it on Instagram and some YouTube videos, and I just want to talk about it. Okay, so you guys just saw that I only blew out the hair. This is the hair just freshly blown out. Okay, I didn't pass my flat iron through it or anything like that. And one thing that I love about this hair is that it took the color very well. As you guys can see, all the colors are very vibrant, like literally very vibrant. I didn't have any issues whatsoever with coloring this hair. And also too, when I was curling it, the color did not fade. I just really love it. And on top of that too, you guys saw that when I was curling it, did not change the color whatsoever. And I just love that about this hair. I've been getting a lot of compliments about this hair. This is a 6x6 lace closure, so it goes from here all the way here. So it's a deep parting. There's a huge amount of parting space. There's huge amount of, you know, versatility, and that's what I love about 6x6 closures. So this is a transparent lace, so which means you can like tint it. So the tinting spray that I have is this one right here. It's from the Taylor Crowns. I have the medium brown. Use your foundation to basically tint the lace, because with transparent lace it's just white. Okay, so it's not really gonna match with your skin complexion. But for right now, I don't have I do not have any lace tint or foundation on the lace right now. It's just like I just left it in the middle part. When I'm done with styling the wig, I will definitely be using my foundation to, like, you know, make the parting look natural. I mean, it looks fine right now because it's a closure, but if it was a frontal, you will want to tint the lace to match with your skin tone. But like I said before, this hair is gorgeous. This hair is beautiful. So I purchased this flat iron off of Ulta. This is the Babyliss Nano Titanium flat iron. It came in this Ulta box. It doesn't really say how much it was, but let me just check. Let me just check my phone. It's $150. I got the 2-inch plates, so that's the biggest one. It's time to, like, you know, go through every strand, and you need a bigger, you know, plate to make like the whole process faster, you know what I'm saying? So that's why I got this one, because I don't even have a bigger flat iron. All my flat irons are like 1.5 inch, 1 inch, so I feel like this size is perfect for me. So another thing too, this is a glueless wig. This is a glueless 6x6 wig. I did use my mannequin head. My mannequin head is 21 inch, so I don't have any elastic bands. I don't have any stocking caps underneath my wig. I don't have anything, just, you know, constructing the wig the proper way. Everything will be fine. Let me show you guys what I have. I literally don't have anything. With having the wig glueless, one, the way how I constructed the wig, it just makes everything very snug. The wig is not going anywhere. As you guys can see, y'all, this wig is flat. Okay, it's flat. A blow dryer and my paddle brush. I use my paddle brush, and then one thing that I use as well is my Nairobi. So while I was blow drying my hair, just spray the Nairobi, and then use my blow dryer and blew it out. So it's just really flat. I didn't use any oils or anything like that. This is the natural luster. You know, rocking with me and subscribing to my YouTube channel, there will be more, like so many things that I will be doing, not just hair. And I'm just very grateful for everything, everybody. You know, you guys stay safe. I love y'all. Okay, I love y'all for supporting me. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you guys so much. Yeah, so let's get into this video. The first thing I'm gonna do is section out the hair, preparing it for flat ironing. I'm using my Cheese Silk Infusion, and this is the only heat protectant that I use from my wigs. Okay, so I want to talk about this flat iron, right? So there are different temperature settings, and there are different hair types that this flat iron will work well with, which is all hair types. Okay, so they have very fragile, thin, normal, wavy, and coarse hair. So with each and every single hair texture, there is a temperature setting to match your hair texture, which is a plus. Okay, I don't normally see that with any flat iron, only this one, so I'm very excited about that. So what I'm doing is called the chase method. So I'm just putting my comb underneath the flat iron, and you guys see it's very silky and it's nice. The comb that I'm using is called the carbon fiber comb, so it is heat resistant, so it's not gonna burn the comb. It doesn't matter what temperature I put the flat iron, it will not burn. So the temperatures that I'm between right now is 311 to 355, and then also I kind of bumped it up to 400 degree Fahrenheit. So I'm between those two. So those are the normal textures and the wavy to curly hair. So I'm between those two. That's the number that I'm on while I'm flat ironing this wig. So that number is on the dial is from 21 to 30, and then 31 to 40. Those are the 300s to 400s Fahrenheit. So one thing that I noticed about this flat iron is that it helps reduce the time while you are flat ironing your hair. You don't have to spend hours flat ironing your hair. This literally took me about 25 minutes to flat iron this hair. Normally I would take about 45 minutes to an hour, okay, flat ironing my wigs, but with this flat iron it took me, you know, less than that. So I am very excited about that. And on top of that too, like, you don't have to continue to pass the flat iron through the hair, because with one pass everything is bone straight, like literally bone straight. And when I plugged the flat iron in, automatically it got hot. Like automatically it got hot. Like it didn't even wait for 30 seconds. It literally got hot as soon as I plugged the flat iron in. I ain't never see no flat iron like that. So I am very excited about my purchase. So on the temperature settings, there are 1 through 50 settings. So like I said before, your hair texture, you can just look at your hair texture to see what temperature fits your hair texture. Okay, and like, y'all, this is really the best. Okay, they do have you know, safety instructions on how to be safe. They do have styling tips on how to like style your hair using this flat iron. When you purchase it, everything, it comes with instructions and all of that good stuff. So I really love this flat iron. Like literally, you know what I want to get? I want to get the curling iron, the Babyliss Pro curling iron. I want to get that one. So this is my initial and final review for the Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium Flat Iron. I really love this flat iron. You guys can see that my wig is super silky, flat, and just full of movement. And that's what you want from your silk press: movement, shine, and very soft. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys in my next tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye everyone.